Today, I'm going to break down the rowing stroke into two easy parts, the push phase and the recovery, because many times when I see people using this equipment in the gym, they are using it incorrectly. The push phase is where you do the work, and the recovery is where your body resets and rests. So you're going to begin in your start position. Your arms are long, body leaning slightly forward, shins straight up, and feet flat. Next, move into your push phase. Press through your legs first. Keep your arms straight as you push, and when your legs are almost long, lean back just a little. Then pull the handle to your lower ribs. Now, you're going to slide into your recovery. Your arms go out, body leans forward, and once your hands pass your knees, let your knees bend and glide forward, and you're back in your start position. Just keep repeating this smooth cycle, push, recover, reset, letting each stroke flow into the next. Next, I'm going to build the rowing stroke in simple steps. And remember, each step can actually be a workout all by itself. Choose the level that feels right for you. So let's start with just the arms. Sit tall, pull the handle to your ribs, then reach back out. Arms in, arms out. If this feels good, you can stay right here for a full workout. Now, add a small lean forward from the hips. Lean forward a little and then pull back a little. Arms and body working together. If this is your comfort zone, this can be your full session too. Next, add a half push with your legs. A small press with the legs, then lean, then pull. Half push, lean, pull. This teaches timing and rhythm, and it's a great workout on its own. Now, move into the full stroke. Push with the legs, lean back, pull to the ribs, then recover. Arms out, body forward, knees bend. Smooth and steady. Pick the level that feels best for your body today. Arms only, arms with lean, half push, or full stroke. They all count and they all build strength and confidence.